I used to think I had the video editing game completely nailed down after hundreds of projects. I could spot all the funny moments and trim every awkward pause like a pro. But honestly, I realize now that I was only decent at the whole process. This new tool, Vizard, is genuinely operating on a completely different level. It doesn't just make my workflow faster, it actively finds the parts I missed. It turns those hidden gems into ready-to-post clips that genuinely grab attention. It's one of those rare tools that makes you question all your old habits. For a quick test, I uploaded a 10-minute video about creator burnout from last week. The audio quality was fine, but the content naturally had peaks and valleys. Normally, I'd spend an hour manually scrubbing, marking, and exporting different formats. I just uploaded the file and immediately went to go make myself a coffee. When you first get started, there is a short onboarding flow to set your direction. It asks if your primary goal is growth on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. You can also tell the AI to favor funny moments or deeply educational highlights. You can tweak settings, but the default recommendation is already impressively good. I dropped my 10-minute episode in and hit that big auto-edit button. The real magic is hidden inside the auto-editing viral clips feature. Vizard scans the entire video searching for engagement signals automatically. This includes sudden volume spikes, laughter cues, and specific phrase markers. It even uses attention heuristics learned from millions of other published clips. Then it generates multiple short videos perfectly sized for every platform you use. It wasn't just random chopping. It selected a great 35-second hilarious section. It also pulled a separate 45-second segment containing a really concise content tip. Both of those short clips perform far better than I had initially expected them to. I love that it respects the original vibe of your raw footage, honestly. It doesn't force cinematic transitions onto something that should feel very casual. If the source is raw, the resulting clips remain natural and authentic feeling. However, you can apply quick templates if you prefer a much slicker final look. The core win here is finding moments you would otherwise miss after hours of timeline editing. After the clips were generated, I quickly jumped into the editor for final tweaks. The editor interface is very straightforward for making those small, necessary adjustments. You can easily trim endpoints, toggle captions on or off, and swap cover frames. Changing the aspect ratio for different platforms is also incredibly simple to do. You can batch apply a consistent style across every single generated clip at once. This feature is huge for maintaining consistent branding across Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Now here is the feature that pulls this ahead of almost every other tool out there. It's called the Auto Schedule feature, which completely changes the final steps. Instead of manually exporting 10 clips and uploading them one by one, I set a frequency. I told it to post 3 times per week, and it queued the clips into that cadence. It automatically spaces the content out and optimizes the exact posting times using data. For a busy creator juggling a full-time job, that time save is truly priceless. Then you have the content calendar, which is the central hub for everything. Here you see all scheduled posts and can drag and drop clips to change the timing. You can edit captions, add relevant hashtags, and preview exactly how your grid looks. Want to push a clip up because it's currently trending? Just drag it forward. Managing, modifying, and publishing across every social media channel from one spot is a game changer. I used to juggle spreadsheets, messy folders, and a totally separate social scheduler system. Tools like Premiere give you total control, but are slow and very expensive for small edits. Descript is cool for transcript edits, but lacks this deep viral detection power. Some other repurposing tools just dump generic clips, forcing you to sift through mediocrity. Vizard lands right in the middle. It's smart automation without locking out manual input. There is a genuinely useful free or very low-cost starter tier to test things out. As your volume grows, the paid plans are reasonably priced for the value they provide. It consolidates several subscriptions into one single package, saving time and money. You can customize how aggressive the clip picker is depending on your output quality needs. Set it aggressive to favor punchy moments with clear emotional spikes for virality. I run 2 passes, one aggressive for snackable clips and one conservative for micro lessons. A quick practical tip is to always use the best microphone you can possibly afford. Smart speech detection handles multiple speakers well, but labeling your speakers helps even more. Remember to trim long intros before uploading to speed up the initial processing time. Other services often charge extra per export or make scheduling complicated across channels. This tool bundles scheduling and cross-posting right into the core workflow effortlessly. I still use Premiere for major cinematic trailers, not for this repetitive repurposing work. The real value is replacing the tedious, repetitive task of identifying and formatting clips. For any creator who lives and dies by content cadence, This is the ultimate answer. The takeaway is simple. Use smart tools that let you easily scale up your output. It finds more winners than I do when I am tired and editing past 2 a.m. If you make long videos and want more reach without spending days in the timeline, give this a shot. Try the free tier. Upload one recent long episode and set a simple posting schedule. Compare your monthly posting volume now versus what you did manually. The difference will shock you. Now I am letting it queue my entire library and going to finally make that coffee.